Hey guys, so today I'll be showing you this full glam peach makeup look. So if you want to see how I did it, then keep on watching. Oh heck no, my voice sounds so weird. But anyways, if you guys know the song I'm lip singing to, comment it down below. I don't know about you guys, but my skin is super dry. I have to moisturize my skin. So for the moisturizer, I'll be using the Cetaphil moisturizing cream. So I'm not gonna explain myself because you guys can see, but I'm gonna be spraying my face with the Badescu. So as you can see, I'm just brushing my eyebrows with the spoolie, nothing special. Now I'm just plucking my eyebrows because I forgot to do it earlier. And then I'm taking this brow gel from Erfe. So I just started using pencil for my brows because I noticed that the pomade just makes it super dark. I made that face because I noticed that my other brow is way darker. Look, I'm trying to be a professional YouTuber, that's why I have it zoomed in, but as you can see, I'm just cleaning around my brows with a concealer. I don't really have an eyeshadow primer, so I'm gonna be using the same concealer that I use for my brows. Using the Lorac Pro Matte Press Powder, I'm just setting the concealer. So this is the eyeshadow palette I'll be using. This is by the Miskos Cosmetics. I don't know if it's a nude shade, but I'm just applying that as a transition color. Now I'm taking this peachy shade and just applying it on my crease. I have really small space to work with, so I'm really trying my best, but as you can see, I'm just packing more of that shade to make the color pop more. Taking that gold shimmer from my Carli Bybel palette, I'm just applying it in the middle. If you're confused of what I'm doing right now, I'm just going back and forth with the shimmer and the peach shade so they blend together nicely. I don't know why I made that face again, but I'm taking my Wet n Wild eyeliner and hoping I do this right. I actually wanted a thin line, but it ended up thick, but it's still nice, so I'ma just leave it. Don't worry guys, I didn't mess up. I'm just cleaning it. This is actually my current favorite lashes. It is a Demi Wispies from Kiss. This is my favorite concealer. It is the Maybeline Fit Me concealer, and this is the same concealer that I use for my brows and primer. To blend all that concealer, I'm gonna be using the Real Techniques Beauty Sponge. I don't know if this makes sense, but I'm just taking my time blending so it really soaks in my skin. Here I am blending again with the Morphe M44 brush, I think. Now I'm setting my face with the Lorac Pro Matte Press Powder in Translucent. So I'm rubbing off the excess from the brush on my hand so the contour is not too harsh. I don't know if you guys noticed, but I have a really small face, so I'm just contouring the temples, the hollows of my cheeks, and my jaw. Sorry, the lighting is kind of bad. Never mind guys, but I'm just blending the contour with the blending brush. For bronzer, I'll be using the Rimmel London in Sunlight to warm up the areas that I just contoured. Taking this shade from my e.l.f. blush palette, I'm just applying it on my cheeks. For that glow, I'll be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills in Sun Dipped. I'm just applying that in a C shape, then on the tip and the bridge of my nose and my chin. Here, I'm just taking all the shades I used for my eyes and applying it on the lower lash. Then, I'm just applying the shimmer on the inner corner. For mascara, I'm using the Makeup Forever just for the lower lash. I actually want a shade close to my natural lip color, so I'm using the Wet n Wild liquid lipstick Catsuit in Give Me Mocha. I'm extra, so I'm gonna be adding a lip gloss on top of that liquid lipstick, and I bought this from a beauty supply store. So there you go guys, I'm taking off my hair clip so I can be conceited, but I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to subscribe and comment down below anything. I will see you guys on my next video. Bye!